Hello, I'm Angelo, President of the Lake County Forest Preserves. I'm at Pine Dunes in Antioch to learn the science behind habitat restoration from two of our experts. Why is habitat restoration important at the Forest Preserve?
Habitat restoration is a sequence of land management activities that improve the health, ecological function, and diversity of species at a particular site. It helps rebuild the nature that has been lost. Historically, Lake County contained extensive wetlands interspersed in a mosaic of upland habitats. These wet soils posed a challenge to early European settlers wanting to farm the land. A solution emerged in the form of clay drain tiles to transform wetlands into fertile farmland.
A common restoration step involves removing these tiles to restore a habitat's natural hydrology. One of our largest projects took place here at Pine Dunes, where we removed or disabled nearly 6,000 linear feet of drain tile. This has allowed native plants and animals to thrive. Prescribed burns are another habitat restoration method we use. Burns help control invasive shrubs and trees and promote the regeneration of native plants. Restoration generates a domino effect. The more plant diversity you have, the more insects you have. Increased plant and insect diversity brings more birds to the preserve, and then more bird watchers and photographers.
Thank you, Rebecca and Matt. As you heard today, habitat restoration is crucial for our forest preserves and future generations. You can read all about habitat restoration in the current issue of Horizon. Visit our website. Thank you.